those of us who come to LinkedIn a lot, there's actually a Sidekick, an AI assistant that's built into Microsoft Edge browser. It's right over here on the top right that can help you actually with your analysis for any page that you're looking at. So let me show you some examples. And this is only available in Microsoft Edge as for right now. I'm going to disregard all these things that is showing over here and just go straight down and message Copilot with something. Okay, so I'm going to type, or actually in this case, paste something. What are the most common themes or topics in the recent posts from my connections? I'm looking at my feed right now, right? Let's do this, see what it returns. And as it says, Copilot may make mistakes, so please take whatever it says with a grain of salt. You want to also verify, trust, but verify everything. And also please use it at your own comfort level because it is true, Microsoft is saving a bunch of these prompts and maybe these results as well. So please use it with your own comfort level. Having said that, look at what it's showing over here. So here's the most common themes: professional development achievements, industry insights and innovations, motivational, inspirational content. A lot of good stuff that it's telling me about my feed, right? So, and then also keep in mind that it's only going so far in terms of pagination. So it doesn't go, paginates through my whole feed. Obviously, that would be kind of impossible anyway. It's really, really long. But it's going up to, I think, 2 or 3 pages over here, and it's giving me content from there. Let me put another prompt in here. Okay, so here's another one. Looking at my feed. Which posts or updates in my feed are currently getting the most engagement and why? I'm sure you wonder that. So here's some information. James Clear, I'm a fan of his book Atomic Habits. That's great. And Global Kinships post, I've never heard of that. No idea. VisualSP, that's our own company. That's good to see. That's VisualSP right here. And then you got some other folks here as well. Victor, Alyssa, wonderful. You could do the same thing when looking at someone's profile as well. So I got my own profile open here, Asif Rahmani. I'm going to say something like, who is on this page? Okay, so let's see if it found me. It did. Great. It's saying, this is your LinkedIn profile, Asif. Wonderful. It knows me and it's giving me information about myself, which is great. All right, let's put another question here. What else can you tell me about this person? Now, by the way, there are some preempted prompts as well that it's suggesting, which is wonderful. I'm not going to take those right now. I'm just going to say, what can you tell me about this person? When we're visiting people's profiles, I'm sure we want to know these things. And rather than reading the whole thing, let AI do the job for us and summarize. So here we go. Telling me I'm a seasoned professional, over 2 decades of experience in digital adoption, training, employee enablement, all true. Microsoft MVP, true. And I have an educational background, electrical engineering. Yeah, that's all correct. Wonderful. What else? Let me ask if this person is a notable personality. Let's see what it does with this question. Wow, well, I'm thankful that in this case, Microsoft Edge is saying that I am a notable personality. Thank you very much. And it's giving some information about the sessions I've done at different conferences and our website, visualsp.com, and what are the contributions I've made. So actually, I can even click on what are some key contributions Asif Rahmani has made. And now it's going to go further on the web as well, not just over here, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so much of the stuff is getting from here and it's getting other information, I believe, from outside as well. All true. Good stuff. Let's do one more experiment here. So I am interested in AI adoption in business. So I made a search for that and I got a bunch of posts. Now it's not going to be able to go through all the different posts, but whatever it can go through, I'm going to put in a message saying, what are the latest trends you see on this page? Okay, so once again, it's just looking contextually at this page. I'm going to go ahead and click on go and let's see what it says. Here are some of the trends. So once again, it's summarizing all the information for me. How cool is that? Right? I don't have to go and look at every single thing. I can look at this thing. I can even have it tell me which posts I should be paying more attention to and then go into that. So wonderful tool. I'm sure you have some additional things that you can teach me and teach others also about what this type of tool, a Sidekick, an AI assistant can do. In this case, of course, it's a Microsoft Edge Copilot, but there's other tools like that as well. In fact, VisualSP also has a VisualSP AI assistant that we have that's similar to that. So share with others as well if there's something that I missed or others that you can talk about as well. Thanks for watching.